In this example, we will take a look at the steps you will take when your pH is reading low. Always make sure that your test strips have not expired to ensure accuracy. First, you will remove one of your test strips from the bottle and have it ready to place into the water. Now take the test strip and place it under the water about 4 inches and leave it there for a few moments. Remove the test strip from the water. Without shaking, compare the colors on the test strip with the reverse side of your test strip bottle. We can see here that the pH is reading low, with the test strip showing a light peach color and reading somewhere between the range of 6.3 and 6.8. In order to increase the pH, read the dosage instructions on the back of the pH Up bottle. You will need to know the volume of your spa in order to calculate the correct dosage. We will use 1500 liters in this example to calculate the dosage of pH Up required for this application. In this example, the pH is reading below 6.6. One capful of pH Up holds 30 grams. Following the instructions with a pH below 6.6, we will add 20 grams for a 1500 liter spa, or 2/3 of a cap of pH Up. Run a jet cycle for 20 minutes and test the water again to see if you have achieved the desired range on your test strip. If your alkalinity is below the desired range as indicated on your test strips, instead we would add Alka Up to achieve the desired result. The alkalinity increaser gives volumes per 1000 liters, so we would multiply the amount required by 1.5 to achieve the desired volume to add to a 1500 liter spa.